Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. For Uber?
Yes.
What's the name?
Sandy?
Sandy?
Yes.
Okay. How's your day going?
Pretty good. I'm kind of in a rush, so...
Yeah, you're just going right up here?
Yeah.
Oh, make sure you put your seatbelt on.
Oh, dang. Are these your tips?
Yeah, they are. Well, they're from this whole week.
Wow, you make a lot in tips. Do you drive, like...
Yeah, Uber like literally pays us, like, I'm literally only making $3 on this ride. So like, I literally rely on tips because...
Wow.
Yeah, I hate Uber. Like, Uber sucks. Like, they literally, like, they barely pay us.
Yeah, well, I will definitely... I only have, like, a few dollars, but...
Oh, thank you. I mean, anything is great. Like, I mean, obviously, the more the merrier, but... I mean, don't feel bad for me. Like, literally feel bad for all the Uber drivers. Like, you know, there's like a study that just came out saying that drivers make $6 an hour after expenses.
That can't be true.
It is. I mean, think about all the gas I'm putting on, all the wear and tear I'm putting on my car. I got people like, I mean, not you, but like people coming in my car, messing it up. I got to get it repaired. I got people throwing up in the back seat. Like,
But then why do you drive for Uber?
I got no other option. This is like, and I have to do this. I have to pay my bills. So I just drive like 12 hours a day.
That is crazy. No, I had no idea. I thought Uber drivers like were honestly fallen because everyone I feel like orders an Uber.
Well, I mean, I make like a lot of money, but I also spend a lot of money. Like some days I make no money because it's like, you know, the rides are slow and I gotta, you know, I'm driving around looking for rides and I'm just wasting all this gas.
Wow, that seriously sucks. Like, I'm sure you're also like...
Well, I just want to be my own boss, you know? I feel like at least...
But is it worth it?
If I'm my own boss, I don't have to respond to anyone. You know, I have freedom, flexibility. I mean,
But
I don't know.
the time, like, you're not...
I'm just waiting for a big ride, you know? Like, I love those $50 rides.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Well, I feel like you should probably not drive for Uber then, just because you could be spending that time with your family or just doing other stuff and not just behind a wheel.
Well, I gotta pay the bills, you know? They gotta be paid somehow.
Why don't you just work at a Chick-fil-A?
Because, like, they barely pay, like, $17 an hour.
But you're barely getting what you said, $6 an hour now.
Yeah, but, I mean, once I pay the car off, like, I only have another, like, 2 years on the car. I'm gonna pay that off, and then...
2 more years.
And then I'll be all profit, so... I'll be, like, I just gotta work every day for, like, 2 years, and then I'll be good.
Okay, I can see why your passengers are leaving you a big tip. You sound like you...
So you're just going right up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's fine.
Well, thanks, I guess.
Yeah, this is totally fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you right up here, because there's, so I can pull over illegally. Legally.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
And then you said I can just leave the tip here, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
If
cool.
you want. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey, where's my tips?